This is the manufacturing line of the forged aluminum wheels. Hot forging is a process to form metal lines with volume distribution corresponding to a design shape on the billet of aluminum alloy. The forging of wheels starts with this kind of hot forging. RM forging, a method developed exclusively by Rays, is a process to spin a uniform structure with fine metal flows, formed by hot forging. The finishing of designed parts is accomplished at the same time. An RM forged rim is thinly formed by cold spinning. A high-speed spinning machine can form rims of varied widths. This is solution heat treatment. Aluminum alloy is rapidly heated and melted with ultra-high-speed heating type thermal treatment equipment. Then the alloy is cooled down immediately and fixed to form a strong structure. Then age hardening improves the elongations and toughness of the aluminum. The aluminum alloy is carefully forged at low temperatures for long periods of time. A hardness testing machine determines whether these heat treatments have satisfied the specific standards. An NC cutting device with an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter is used in the machining process to improve the accuracy of the roundness. Then flashes are carefully removed after the bolt pattern machining process. During an alignment test after processing, the wheel's roundness is carefully checked with an indicator balancer. In addition, invisible scratches are checked with a computer in an eddy current testing to avoid cracks in materials. The JWL Plus R standards are fulfilled through exacting tests during the manufacturing phase. After processing, the surface strength of edges is increased and shot blasting is performed to smooth surfaces. During finishing surface treatments, chromate films are first applied on the surface to protect the aluminum from corrosion. Fine coating materials with a diameter of 100 microns are blow coated to improve smoothness. Then the wheels are spray coated. Wheels are colored in line with their designs or clear coated to protect their surfaces. Wheels may be alumite treated to improve their metallic luster.